Let's get you started on the Mamily app. Please enter your phone number. Once you've entered your phone number, you will receive an OTP in that number. Now, enter your full name. Right after you enter your full name, you will have to select the type of account you want to go forward with. If your company has a tie-up with Mamily, select Provided by Company and enter your official email address. If not, click on Personal to move forward. Here, you'll need to select your current life stage. Choose pregnancy if you're expecting, parenting if you already have children. You can also select fertility, irregular periods /PCOS, midlife health, or general health, whatever best matches your phase of life. I'm selecting pregnancy right now, as that's my current stage. Don't worry, you can always switch to another stage anytime from the app. You will have to enter your last month period or expected due date. Just click on the calendar icon to do so. In the pregnancy home screen, to switch life stages, simply tap the settings icon at the top right. From there, choose your preferred life stage. If you're on a premium plan, you can schedule a call with your personal care guide whenever you need. We have prenatal yoga. We have yoga instructors taking sessions across the 3 trimesters. We also offer weekly online sessions covering everything from medical topics and nutrition to emotional bonding. Garbh Sanskar has rag, mantra, Garbh Samvad, and stories. And don't forget the trackers, because what gets tracked gets improved. In the medical tracker, you can track sugar levels, blood pressure, and other health parameters. The lifestyle tracker helps with your daily habits, most importantly, tracking your exercise and sleep quality. We also have medical records section where you can update and keep all of your records in one place. We also have detailed courses like labor and birth course, breastfeeding, and newborn care. Now, to book a call with experts, click on Care. You can see the range of the experts that we have. We have senior gynecologists, Ayurveda doctors, nutritionists, psychologists, and a childbirth educator. Click on Book Appointment, select the date, the timing, area of concern. You have successfully booked an appointment with our expert. Now, if you go back to the home screen, you may see that we have a personalized feed, wherein you'll be able to know your baby's size, weight. You'll be able to learn more about the growth of your fetus. Do you also see the Mythbuster on top? Yes, we bust these myths so that you can learn more about your pregnancy in the process. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see Knowledge Hub, wherein we have various different articles and videos which teaches you about your fetus, the right nutrition during this time, and your health. We also have SIG, wherein we cover severity issues and give information from a medical standpoint. We also have a community of pregnant women asking queries and concerns and getting answers to it. Next life stage is parenting. We have newborn care, weight loss, and guidance on returning to work. In parenting, we have postnatal yoga and postpartum support. In postnatal yoga, we have our yoga instructors conducting strength training sessions. We also have online sessions being conducted by pediatricians, nutritionists, psychologists, parenting coaches, and yoga instructors. We have a parenting toolkit wherein you can learn more about your baby and more about parenting. We have trackers, wherein an additional tracker here is newborn tracker, wherein you can track your baby's growth and development. The way to book an appointment in the parenting life stage is same as before. You can also add your child's details here to personalize your feed. You can add your child's full name, their gender, their DOB. One thing to notice is that we have yoga, live webinars, trackers, and you can book an appointment in all the life stages. Next life stage is fertility. In fertility, we have wellness exercises, we have live sessions being conducted by our OBGYN. You can also manage your stress and mood here. There's an additional tracker, which is the ovulation and fertility tracker, wherein you can enter your period date and track your periods. You can also book an appointment with our experts here. What is special about our fertility program, Ayur Setu, is fertility explained in the Ayurvedic way. It teaches you about basic Ayurveda, your nutrition and lifestyle for fertility. The next life stage is irregular periods or PCOS. We have various articles and videos that teach you hormonal balance and detox. We also have a wellness corner in PCOS PCOD life stage, which is similar to what we have in fertility life stage. It has healthy recipes and meditation. The next life stage is Midlife Health. We have wellness exercises, online sessions, trackers, and you can also book an appointment here. Next stage is General Health. In General Health, we need to select a health condition before proceeding. Here, I'm selecting PMS. Again, we have wellness exercises, we have online sessions, trackers, and you can book an appointment here too. There are various different articles and videos wherein you can gain more knowledge and improve your health. See you on the Mamily app.